Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your car is OBD-ROMAN2 compatible and noting the VIN. This matters because codes differ by protocol. Once done, obtain Autozone's loaner reader or pair their Bluetooth unit to your phone, and make sure your phone has the Autozone app if using Bluetooth. Next, you park safely, set the brake, and turn the ignition to on without starting the engine so the vehicle's computer is awake and ready for the scan. You now plug the reader into the 16-pin port and watch for power indicators. A solid light means the tool communicates. Then you follow on-screen prompts, choose your vehicle profile if required, and select read codes or scan. The tool pulls modules and returns stored, pending, and freeze frame data. Make sure to write down code numbers and any freeze frame info for context. Do not clear codes yet unless you intend to verify a repair immediately, because clearing erases important diagnostic history. You interpret the numeric codes using the Autozone lookup or app description to decide which systems to inspect first, prioritizing anything that affects safety or drivability. Once you complete a repair, you may clear codes with the reader and then perform a proper drive cycle to confirm the fault is gone. Make sure to record whether the code returns. If the reader will not connect, you check the OBD port power and relevant fuse, try the tool on another car, and ask Auto.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.